All right, it is time for CSS Battle. Let's start our stopwatch and go to CSS Battle. We have more circles. Yesterday we had circles. Today we have circles. We try to go fast for the first one of these, so I'm just going to say that. Then I'm going to say, uh, actually, I'm going to change what I said on the other one. Let's say radial gradient from yellow to brown to that color. I'll say 1Q, the aspect ratio. This one's going to be, I don't know what it is, 40 pixels. That actually doesn't look awful. This one's going to be 0, 80 pixels. That's not big enough. 90, 100. There's that. And then this background is also going to be radial gradient. It's going to be brown to transparent. It's going to be 1Q. It's going to be at 200 pixels. Let's make it, needs to have a size 40 pixels. Oh, that's horizontal. It's going to be 50%, 200 pixels. That's actually close. 198, 196, no, 202. Come on. There we go. That is a match. That's 2 minutes, right at 2 minutes. Oh, it took a while to match, so 2 minutes, 10 seconds total. I don't hate this. Yeah, I don't hate it. It's 139 characters. So let's just unit replace, minify, submit. 136. Um, there are potentially a couple things we can do. We can say var, I don't know what to call it, x, 1q, and then here we don't do any of that. We say, whoops, let's leave that for now because I need some numbers from it. We say x is 1Q at 50%, 2 pixels. And then we get rid of that. Now we have some other things we have to deal with. That's okay. We need what? We need the yellow to go to 0 and that to go to 40, I think. Yeah. So, what's 100 pixels in M? 14x. I wonder if we can use that. 6.25 M. And then 40, can we get a line heights? 2.22. It's better to do them opposite. 2.5 M. And then this in line heights. Neither of them are great. And I think line height is a multiple of the font. So I think I have to do it the other way. Oh, it's 2.5 M. There it is. All right, let's see if we can get this to work. We're going to say font. Normally 16 we need to go 40% of 16. What is that? 16 times 0.4, 6.4. Seems okay. 6.4 pixels. Okay, we've done something we've made. Oh, it's because of this. Can we make that transparent and then have a fallback color of that? And it still overrides. That's the problem. That's okay. 9M. And this needs to go 0 back to the color. And then actually that's not going to be M, it's going to be LH. Slash 0. Doesn't quite work. Why doesn't it work is the question. Let's go ahead and copy this down. 7. It's not that. We're getting the whole background is covering things up. So this I think is going to 0. That looks right. This is going to 40 pixels. That looks right. This is going to 0, but still having an effect. Well, that's not very fun. The other way, in theory, to do this are G, list all of this as the gradient, get rid of the font, G is going to be just that. That's not working. Let's make G something simple. Red, blue. You just get, let's do 50 pixels. So if we went that, and then we did the brown color, and then we did 40 pixels, would that be right? Yes. Okay. Now I've made it longer. Longer's not better. But we can put all of these back to pixels. Let's do that? No. 5 characters. 25 VW. I feel like I'm missing a trick here somewhere. That number actually doesn't matter at all. Doesn't need to be there. Now we've saved 1 character. Can we That's too many of those. It's not big enough. I'm wondering if we can put use the font trick again. This was, I don't remember what, 2 point, no, yeah, 6.25. And let's put that away for a second. There, we're getting that, which we expect. Now we're going to get font. I don't remember what the value was. So over here, 6.4. Okay, that's not quite right, but it's close. The problem is this needs to be 0, so it needs to be line heights. Is that a match? Yeah. And then we can do away with this. And now we're longer again. I don't know. I don't know. Uh, yeah. My other solution, but I didn't submit 136. Maybe that's it. Hmm. Let's try 210Q, not AQ, 12, 14. That's a match. Was it better to do var x? I remember. Let's go back to here. That was 150 characters. 148. There's 139. That was 135. Then this can be 212Q. I don't remember what it was, 214. Yeah. Let's minify. Submit. I don't know. That's going to be it for today. Just struggling to minify in clever-ish ways. The way I have it, it's not great, but it's what I got for today. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.